basketball. Ipakita mo yung usay mo sa hardcourt. Come on everybody, show me some moves. Ito kalaro ng bawat Pilipino. Hey, come on everybody sa hardcourt. Come on everybody sa hardcourt. Come on everybody sa hardcourt. Come on everybody sa hardcourt.
So ayun na nga, ito po muli ang inyong lingkod, Galbong Bordado, para maghatid ng sports update. Iba't ibang reaction at reviews patungkol sa sports, most especially sa basketball, ang favorite natin na game sa Pilipinas. Siyempre, yun, meron tayong i-react at i-review. Ito ay nagmula sa content ng nag-iisang iSports TV. Yeah, subscribe kayo dyan guys at click nyo na rin yung notification bell para update kayo sa mga pangyayari na nangyayari sa sports at iba't ibang kasi pang uri ng sports, basketball most especially yan. Subscribe and na rin kayo, click nyo yung notification bell. At syempre kung di pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na rin kayo sa akin, kay Galbong Bordado, para sa mga ganitong uri ng content. Syempre sports update, basketball, syempre number 1 sports sa Philippines. Yun, subscribe kayo sa akin at click nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo, di ba? Yun, simulan na natin to. Huwag na natin patagalin. Ang title nga pala nito, Clutch City 90s Serie Part 3. Ito yung basta panoorin natin. Nakita ko dito may Jordan, may Hakeem Olajuwon, tapos yung trio ng ng Houston Rockets. Feeling ko ito yung laban ng ng Houston Rockets tsaka ng Bulls sa finals. Kung di ako nagkakamali, ang Bulls kasi nasa Eastern yan. Tapos ang Houston nasa Western. Ito yung highlight ng nila. Kung di ako nagkakamali, hindi ko pa ito mapanood eh. Ngayon, sabay-sabay natin panoorin.
The Clutch City of the 90s were known for their top defense, efficient offense, and superstar play from Olajuwon. They remain one of the most celebrated teams in NBA.
Ayan, yan yung superstar nila, si Hakeem. Yan yung sentro na ang tawag dyan noon kay Hakeem. Hakeem Olajuwon, sentro ng Houston, the 100 moves. Kasi napakadaming galaw niyan. Hindi yan basta-basta masusupalpal. The 100 moves, kung di ako nagkakamali. Kasi ang dami niyan, mahilig sa head and shoulder fake, mga ganun. Mga ganun. Mahilig sa fake, fade away, all around. Ang galing, napakagaling ng galaw niyan.
History. Bago natin simulan mga katropa, mag-subscribe ka muna sa ating channel and don't forget the notification.
Yo, subscribe kayo kay iSports TV, syempre, idol yan.
In the 90s mga katropa, ang Houston Rockets ay one of the greatest team in the NBA. Ito ay tatak ng kanilang sunod-sunod na championship noong 1994 at 95 with the leadership of the Dream.
Solid naman kasi yung lineup niyan. Tingnan mo naman, meron siyang Hakeem, meron siyang Clyde Drexler. Alam mo kung di ako nagkakamali, si Barkley napunta rin dito, Charles Barkley.
In the Clyde. Ang year din natin mga katropa, nag-retire si Jordan. Ang Rockets ng 90s mga katropa ay tinawag na Clutch City because of the ability of their players to score in the most needed times. They called the Rockets Clutch City noong 1994 playoffs when Rockets won games with big scores.
Ito yung panahon na nawala yung Chicago, nawala yung star player ng Chicago, si Michael Jordan. Tumigil siya sa paglalaro ng basketball. Alam ko naglaro siya ng baseball eh. Noong time na yun. Tsaka may mga issue to eh. Si Jordan yung sa tatay niya. Sabi raw na mafia, ganun. Ganun yung issue nun. Tapos kaya nawalan siya ng gana mag-basketball. And yung time na nakapasok tong Pero nung nandun si Jordan, hindi makapasok sa finals. Hindi to laging laglag sa Chicago Bulls to.
Efficient in the beginning. Chicago Bulls played with the Rockets with 9-9 records, including 4 games when Jordan retired in 1994 and 95 seasons. Sino-sino nga ba mga katropa ang mga elite players ng Houston Rockets? Kung gusto mong malaman katropa, samahan mo ako at talakayin natin. Ang una sa ating listahan mga katropa ay si Robert Horry.
Andiyan pa rin yung Hall of Famer na si Robert Horry. Simula Robert Horry pa rin. Lagi siyang present sa mga malalakas na team, mga pang-finals na team. Lagi siya nandun.
Si Horry ay naging bahagi ng Houston Rockets championship teams noong 1994 at 1995. Bilang isang forward, siya ay nakapag-average ng mga 10 points, 6 rebounds, at 3 assists in his every game in the 1990s. Si Horry ay kilala rin sa kanyang clutch plays at game-winning shots in big games. Si Horry mga katropa ay drafted 11th overall by the Houston Rockets in the 1992 NBA Draft.
Ano kasi yan si Robert Horry, all around yan. May dribbling, may tira sa labas, tapos may height. 6'10 ata din si Robert Horry, kung di ako nagkakamali ah. Ang laro niyang 4, power forward.
Robert Horry ay nakapasok sa 1992 to 1993 All-Rookie team and had a successful and decorated career in the NBA. Naglaro ng 4 na different teams during his 16 seasons in the league sa Houston Rockets, Phoenix Suns, Los Angeles Lakers, and
San Antonio Spurs. Yan.
Nakilala si Robert Horry mga katropa through his ability to step up in clutch moments and hit game-winning shots. Naging 7-time NBA champion, which is the second most in NBA history behind only Bill Russell. Horry won 2 championships with the Rockets in 1994 and 1995, 3 with the Lakers in 2000, 2001, and 2002, and 2 with the Spurs in 2005 and 2007. Si Horry mga katropa ay binyansagang big shot
Big shot, Bob. Grabe kasi to. Meron to mga place na yung buzzer beater, no winning shot. Meron to, marami yan siya. Mga clutch basket, marami yan. Mga highlight ng niya, buzzer beater niya.
because of his ability to rise and hit game-winning shots. Horry's career was defined by his success in pressure-packed situations and his ability to come through when it mattered the most. Ang sumunod sa ating listahan mga katropa ay si Clyde the Glide.
Ayun, si The Glide, yan. Dating naglaro sa, hindi ako nagkakamali, Portland eh. O nauna yung Portland bago to. Alam ko nauna ata yung Portland bago tong Houston Rockets eh. Halimaw din yan. Ito yung mga malapit dumepensa kay Jordan. Tsaka parang Jordan din galawan na ito. Ang posisyon niya, shooting guard. Yung height niya, halos sila ka rin siya ni Jordan.
Si Clyde Drexler ay naglaro sa Houston Rockets from 1995 hanggang 1998 at naging key player ng Rockets 1995. NBA Championship Team. During his time with the Rockets, si The Glide mga katropa ay nag-average ng 19.3 points, 6.3 rebounds, and 5.0 assists per game. Naging 10-time NBA All-Star at nanalo ng Olympic gold medal in 1992 as part of the legendary.
Yeah, yung super lineup na yan. Jordan, Larry Bird, Clyde Drexler, Scottie Pippen. Napakalakas ng lineup na yan. 1992 Olympics. Napakalakas din ng lineup na yan.
Dream Team. At na-induct into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame in 2004. During their championship victory, si Drexler, mga katropa, ay played a pivotal role at natulungan ang Houston.
Alam ko nung time na nag-champion sila, ang nakalaban nila ng Houston Rockets, sila sila Shaquille O'Neal, Orlando Magic. Alam ko, kung di ako nagkakamali yun yung nagtapat sa finals nun. Houston Rockets tsaka Orlando Magic. Si Shaquille nasa Orlando Magic pa nun, batang-bata pa.
Rockets na makuha ang NBA championship in the 1994 hanggang 1995 season. He joined the team mid-season via a trade with the Portland Trail Blazers at naging immediate impact forming a
nauna nga siya sa nauna sa Portland.
Dynamic backcourt duo alongside the Dream. Ang leadership ni Drexler as a veteran, ang kanyang scoring ability and versatility were instrumental in the Rockets' playoff run at naging one reasons in the franchise second championship. Si Drexler din mga katropa ay isang solid defender. His athleticism and quickness allowed him to guard multiple positions effectively, providing valuable contributions to the Rockets' defensive efforts. Ang kanyang ability to generate steals and disrupt opponent offensive plays made him a valuable...
Ito yung nagpapahirap kay Jordan. Ang daming highlight nito din depensa si Jordan. Nagpapahirap kay Jordan yan. Si Clyde the Glide Drexler.
Asset for the team. Ang pagdating ni The Glide mga katropa ay seamlessly integrated into the Rockets roster. Ang kanyang basketball IQ and leadership ay helps improve the chemistry of the Rockets team. Drexler and Olajuwon duo elevated the team's performance and made the Rockets a formidable force in the Western Conference. Throughout his career, si Drexler ay nakilala for his exceptional athleticism, scoring ability, and defensive skills and once compared to Michael Jordan. Siya ang nag-lead sa Portland Trail Blazers.
Kasi parang pagkakahawig din sila Jordan Kaya parang pagkakahawig pareho pa ng height.
To the NBA Finals twice in the early 1990s prior traded to Rockets and was named one of the 50 greatest players in NBA history in 1996. Sir Charles. Si Charles Barkley, mga katropa.
Ayan ang halimaw. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo na underrated na power forward na both sa underrated siya, pati yung height niya, underrated. Kasi alanganin height nito sa posisyon niya, 6'8 lang ata to, tapos ang laro nito sa ilalim, pero halimaw to, yung talon nito. Gabahay.
Pa ay naglaro sa Houston Rockets from 1996 to 2000 and during his time with the team.
Ano yan eh, Phoenix Suns galing yan eh.
Bago natin simulan mga
Phoenix Suns galing yan.
katropa, mag-subscribe ka muna sa ating channel and don't forget the notification
Oy,
icon.
bumalik. Phoenix Suns galing yan si ano, si Charles Barkley. Charles Barkley, Phoenix Suns
Sir
yan.
Charles. Si Charles Barkley, mga katropa, ay naglaro sa Houston Rockets from 1996 to 2000 and during his time with the team, he was still considered a dominant player. Noong 1996 hanggang 1997 season, Barkley's first year with the Rockets ay nag-a-average ng 19.2 points, 13.5 rebounds, and 5.7 assists per game. At sa sumunod naman na season siya ay nag-average ng 19.8 points, 13.3 rebounds, and 4.6 assists per game. Although, Sir Charles' numbers mga katropa from earlier years with the Phoenix Suns were higher, ang kanyang contributions to the Rockets were still considered significant. Natulungan niya ang Rockets to reach the Western Conference Finals in 1997 and they were one game away from reaching the NBA Finals. Barkley was also selected to the All-Star team in both seasons. Merong accolades na NBA Most Valuable Player, 1990.
Hall of Famer din to si Charles Barkley. Hall of Famer din yan. Ito yung madalas makaaway nun ni Shaquille. Naalala ko, sinapak ni Shaquille to eh.
11 times NBA All-Star, 1987 to 1997. NBA All-Star Game MVP, 1991. NBA Rebounding Leader, 1987. Ang panghuli sa ating listahan, mga katropa, ay
Ayan ang superstar nila, yung sentro. Ang height nito, kung di ako nagkakamali, 7-footer to eh. Si Hakeem. Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon. Si 100 moves. Ang galing niya sa low post niya. Kaya tinawag siyang 100 moves kasi pag lumupo siya, ang dami niyang galaw. Hindi malaman kung may fade away, hook shot, o basta ang dami niyang galing doon sa sa fake, magaling sa fake.
Round, first overall pick Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon who played from 1984 hanggang 2000 with Rockets, traded to Raptors in 2001 and retired in 2002. Si Hakeem Olajuwon, mga katropa, ay had an impressive average during his time with the Houston Rockets noong 1990s. Nag-average ng 23.5 points, 11.4 rebounds, and 2.9 blocks per game during 1990s and was a dominant force on both ends of the court.
May fade away oh. Tsaka yung kamay nito, ang laki, dakot yung bola.
Nakilala na one of the best centers in NBA history. Si The Dream, mga katropa,
Hall of Famer din yan, Hall of Famer.
lead sa back-to-back NBA championships ng Rockets noong 1994 hanggang 1995.
Hook shot.
Ang kanyang exceptional scoring ability, shot block and prowess, and
Fade
leadership
away.
played a vital role in bringing the championships to Rockets. Ang scoring ability, combining finesse, footwork, and a wide range of offensive move, mga katropa, ay ang kanyang pangunahing sandalan.
Ano to, hindi to dunker, hindi siya, kumbaga, hindi niya pinapahirapan yung basketball. Basic lang ang basketball para sa kanya. Pag napanood mo to, napaka-basic niya maglaro. Para siyang Jokic, ganun. Alam, pinagkaiba ni Jokic. Ito, malupit yung footwork niya ito. Hindi to basta-basta na yung kagaya Jokic na parang antigas. Ito hindi, malambot katawan na ito. Grabe. May fade away. Kung ano, gagawa na ito, basta 100 moves nga eh.
He averaged over 20 points per game throughout his Houston career and had a diverse offensive skill set naman that allowed him to score both inside and outside the paint. Also, he was an excellent rebounder na laging kasama sa ranking ng mga league leaders in rebounds per game. Also, mga katropa, si The Dream have an exceptional defensive prowess. Nakilala siya through his shot blocking skills and holds the record for most career blocks in NBA history. Ang pagiging agile ni Olajuwon plus his
Ang
time
haba kasi ng galamay niya, napakahaba rin ng galamay, kaya talagang aabutin ka eh.
and basketball IQ made him a formidable presence in the paint, deterring opponents from attacking the ring. The Dream accolades.
Ano mo yan, no?
In addition to his impressive individual awards, si Olajuwon din, mga katropa, ay member of the United States men's basketball team that won the gold medal in the 1996 Summer Olympics.
Ayan, solid yan. Shaquille O'Neal. Reggie Miller, John Stockton, Hardaway, Barkley, Grant Hill. Grabe lang. Yung lineup na yun. Alam mo, Gary Payton, Karl Malone. Ito ba si Jordan? Dito si Jordan eh.
At na-induct sa Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame in 2008. Hanggang dito na muna ako mga katropa. Abangan ang ating susunod na Future 90s League para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating serye na NBA against the Plumbers of 90s.
So, yun na nga, tapos na ang content ni iSports TV. Napakalapit na content, nakaka-throwback. Naalala ko yung mga kabataan ko, nakapanood ko lang dati yan, yung mga yan, mga retiro na, yun. The Dream Hakeem Olajuwon, nilalaro pa sa PlayStation 1 noon yan, idol ko yan. Grabe yung jump shot yan sa perimeter. Yan, so solid na content yan para sa mga batang 90s. Yeah! Yun, ito nga po muli ang inyong lingkod. Kalbong Bordado. Maraming salamat. Subscribe kayo. Salamat. Kung gusto niyo makakita pa ng mga ganitong uri ng content, reviews and reactions, subscribe kayo guys. Yeah, salamat.